This program is not intended to replace professional legal advice or representation. If you have a legal concern, you are strongly encouraged to seek the advice of an attorney.
Hi everyone, I'm Yanique Otto, attorney at law in South Florida with the Otto Law Group. Thanks for joining us for another episode of Now You Know the Law. So you've been served with divorce documents and it says you have 20 days to respond. You are confused by the overwhelming amount of paperwork and you need an attorney, but you don't have the money to retain one. Your husband makes over $100,000 per year and you've been a stay-at-home mom for over 20 years. Now he's left you and you barely have 2 shillings to rub together. He's hired the best lawyer in town and you feel intimidated. How will you ever get a fair shake if you can't even afford an attorney? Well, here is what you need to know. The Florida courts want to ensure that parties to a divorce are able to stand on equal footing, if you will, when going through the divorce proceedings. It wouldn't be fair, for example, that your husband can afford to hire an experienced, expensive attorney because he has all the money in the world to do so, and that you would be forced to go into court and represent yourself without an attorney because you don't have the means with which to hire a lawyer. This would create a very great imbalance and would cause you to be disadvantaged in the process. To compensate for this, the lawmakers of Florida have come up with a system such that the party who is in need can ask the court to award attorney's fees to be paid by the party that has the ability to pay. So in the example that we started out with, the wife who has no income or substantial assets could ask the judge to let the husband pay for all or a large portion of her attorney's fees. And the judge would assess whether the wife has actually demonstrated that she has a need for this award of attorney fees. And the husband will need to also be assessed to determine whether he has the actual ability to pay those fees. So here's the bottom line. If you are facing a divorce or any other family law matter and you feel like you don't have enough money to hire an attorney, we may be able to help you by asking the court to order your spouse or partner to pay your legal fees as well. If we can show that you have a need and he or she has the ability to pay your legal fees, don't go at it alone. Give us a call at 855-YES-AUTO and we will help to assess your legal rights. Thank you for joining us and we will see you next time. I'm Yanique Otto and Now You Know the Law.
Now You Know the Law is brought to you by the Otto Law Group. If you have a legal question, give us a call. We'll either help you with the matter or put you in touch with someone who can. To have your questions answered in one of our episodes, you may submit them via our Facebook page at facebook.com/Otto Law Group. The Otto Law Group, providing legal solutions.